Payback is powered by Crone. Can you imagine a 21st century partnership between Haiti and South Africa? It sounds like a game changer.
Okay, according to Jean-Pierre, the ambassador designate to South Africa, it's more than just diplomacy. It's about a shared destiny, which is pretty powerful.
Right. The article mentions Haiti being the first Black republic and South Africa dismantling apartheid. Does that shared history play a big role?
Definitely. Hillard sees them as chapters of the same book, both born from resistance. Haiti carrying Africa in its very core, its rhythms, faith, memories, it's all connected.
So Haiti's been making moves to strengthen its presence in Africa. What makes South Africa so important in all of this?
Well, South Africa offers political stability, a diversified economy, and access to the SADC markets. Plus, it's a diplomatic powerhouse and cultural leader, right?
Okay, but what's in it for South Africa? The author writes that engaging with Haiti isn't just symbolic, it's historic.
Well, you see, Haiti is like Africa's outpost in the Caribbean. It proves that African civilizations can rebuild and survive even when torn from their roots. Pollard sees it as a branch seeking its original nutrients.
The piece talks about potential South African investment in Haiti and Haitian expertise enriching African innovation. Are there any concrete examples?
Academic and cultural exchanges, of course. Pollard imagines these corridors linking cities across SADC in the Caribbean, which is a really fascinating idea. Ultimately, it's about building a new Afro-global identity, rooted in shared history, spirit, and a forward-thinking vision. It's about these nations standing together.
A new chapter in the Afro global story is definitely something to be excited about.